Welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to do something a little different than you've been seeing. Today we're going to go ahead and review some shocks. I have Bilstein 5100 shocks on my F150. See, some people call them Bilstein, I call them Bilstein, so I'll go ahead and say that for this movie or video review. So I will rate these out of 10. Right off the bat, I'll give them an 8 out of 10. I'll do the negatives first, and really I only have two negatives. First one is obviously cost. They're super duper expensive, whether it's just the shock package itself or the install. Sidebar, it's not a install video, just a review. There's tons of install videos out there that you can refer to. Yeah, so the cost. And second of all, go ahead and see the rear end here. I do not understand for the life of me why Bilstein doesn't do a protective coating on the exterior of these shocks. They are obviously, I live in inclement weather, snowy, mud, salt, sleet, all the above. So you can do a quick visual of the exterior of the shock and see you know, a little bit of corrosion and pitting, oxidization, all that sort of kind of gnarly stuff on here. So I don't know why they don't just put a friggin' coating over this so it protects it from kind of the elements, obviously used for 4x4 and, you know, sand and all that stuff, these shocks. So, you know, the two negatives obviously are the cost first and foremost, and then some sort of coating over the unibody of the shock. That being said, they've been awesome. I do run airbags right here, Firestone airbags, onboard air compressor in the cab, a Hallwig rear sway bar controller, and then obviously the Bilstein shock. I do tow a lot, so I like that. I like having the trio, I guess, in the rear there, so they can stabilize and all that sort of stuff. We do have a lot of body roll in these F150s. Getting to the front here, we have the coilover. So the coilover, and then the shock obviously on the interior of the coilover. I did not do the install because I did not have a compression tool for the coil. I do also know there is other ways to compress the coil, but I did not want to lose digits or anything like that. So I went ahead and had 4-wheel auto parts do the install, and they did a pretty good job. So shout out to them. Obviously I do run a studded tire because I live in this climate here, kind of gnarly weather, so it's great for skiing and snowboarding and quadding and skidooing, all that, but sometimes it's not the best for driving. So again, I will give them an 8 out of 10. I love them. The unibody style of shock feels like a cloud. I always say it turns a rough F150 into a Chev 1500 or GMC 1500 style ride. And I do realize my truck's an XLT, it's not a platinum or, you know, a greater level truck and all that sort of thing. So maybe those ride a little better, but again, the Bilstein 5100 shock has been great. I do love them. Levels out the front end of your truck. You can select the slot up to 2 inches, kind of levels out the front. Some people say left, I say level, but it does look good and I do appreciate it. These front tires obviously look goofy and small. It's because they are. I run a 6 set of summer tires and rims, obviously in the summer. Right now, all you're looking for is safety and traction in this crap. So anyways, we do appreciate you watching. We do appreciate all the subscribes. We appreciate kind of the follows on Insta and reviews and feedback on what we're doing. Appreciate that. So hopefully you can look us up, The Life of Mac on Insta, and obviously you know the channel if you're watching. So again, just appreciate it. All the best. Peace and love.